And today I'm going to be showing you this aluminum ramp system. That's right, this is a ramp system that you can use on thresholds and entryways to make wheelchair accessibility, dollies, anything that you might have to roll through the house or in or out of your house so much easier. This is going to give you a nice sloped ramp to make getting in and out much easier. Let's go ahead, we're going to point the camera down. I'm going to show you how this system installs. I'm using it in the back by my pool. We have a pipe that actually crosses the threshold, and so I want to make it easier to walk up that and to roll up that without hitting that PVC pipe. Let's see how well it works. Alright, so this is where we're going to be installing it right here. And you can see that this ramp system does come in multiple pieces. It is all made to lock together, and it can also be bolted down with the included hardware. This ramp system does come in multiple sizes, so make sure that you measure the lip that you're trying to cover and that you get one that's the right size. So the way that this system works, this is the lip we're trying to come up, we're trying to come over this pipe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put number 2 in place. You can see it's high enough to clear this. Then I'm going to take number 1 and I'm going to slide it underneath just like so. Then we're going to take the final top ridge piece and we're going to install it right here. And now you can see that I have a nice ramp getting me up and over this pipe without putting weight and pressure on this pipe. I'm going to show you another example. So I'm going to pick it up, we're going to move it, and I'm going to show you another way of installing it as well. Alright, so now we're back here by the pool. You can see that we have this little lip right here. If I was trying to get a wheelchair in here, if I was trying to get a dolly bringing stuff in and out, that lip is going to pose a big problem. Plus, if you had somebody in a chair and you're rolling them out, when they drop off that lip and hit the bottom, it's going to be a shock to them. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take number 2, place it right here. Then I'm going to take number 1. Number 1 goes in front, and they are clearly labeled 1 and 2. So we're just going to put it underneath 2, just like so. And then we're going to take the top plate and install it. And now, let me line it up. There we go. And now our ramp is complete. And you can see that they do have holes here. You can drill into the concrete and bolt this down on all 4 corners to make it a permanent installation. So if you're looking to make your life easier with steps and entryways, this could be a great product for you. It's made out of aluminum. It has this high grip tape on it to prevent slipping, and it's just going to make life easier all around. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.